Hi guys, so what we've got here is a ROI tiering script. Essentially what it does is it looks at data from within your Google Ads account for the last 28 days and it then categorizes all the products by the ROI generated. So left hand column here we've got ROI tier, column B we've got the campaign name, so automatically labels and segments items into different campaigns based on their historic ROI over the last 28 days. Some key stuff to really note and highlight here is this is all dummy data, by the way, but within this account we can see that, for example, the number of items with ROI of less than 1 is around 94% of the account, which equates to about 53% of spend. On the other hand, we've got around 35 products, or around 3% of products that are generating really strong ROI, 10 or above. So obviously, what we're looking to do here is move more investment from the lower performing products and categories up the tiering system into those higher performing brackets. So next steps and instructions are, if you comment ROI in the post below, I'll send you a link to this script. You can install it in your Google Ads account quite easily yourself. It will then generate these sheets at the bottom, so these 10 sheets that then categorizes all the products according to the ROI in the last 28 days. The final one is a label sheet, and that basically summarizes all the data from the report. You can then upload that into Google Merchant Center as a custom column, and you can then essentially set up this campaign hierarchy and tiering structure here. My suggestion is to read the post thoroughly and make sure you fully understand how this report and script works. Set it up in your account, and then look into ways of how can we move more budget up the tiering system into the higher ROI categories and campaigns. Couple of key points here is that the main drivers of ROI is, of course, conversion rate, average order value, and CPC. So you might want to look at those data points as well when setting up the new campaigns and setting the according bids and budgets and targets. So how can we obviously increase the campaign's conversion rate, increase the average order value, and decrease the CPC to ultimately help more items get a higher ROI. That's the kind of aim of the game there. So comment ROI below, let me know if you've got any questions, and hope you enjoy it.